Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Taigo R-Line finished in smoky grey in combination with that black design pack as well. You've got that 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring as well with a remainder of that 3-year manufacturer warranty. Stand off at the front as LED headlamps provide a fantastic vision in all conditions. And down the side as part of that black design pack you've got these 18-inch Mazzano alloy wheels, as well as your gloss black wing mirrors which are power folded and heated, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards and the optionally fitted panoramic sunroof letting plenty of fresh air and light to the cabin. There's a huge amount of boot space on offer as well, with split folding seats and that adjustable boot floor. There's plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases. Inside you've got the signature R-Line upholstery with the park cloth and Alcantara seats. There's also a couple USB-C ports. Towards the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel is a full digital display, housing all your vital driving information, with your assistance systems on board there as well. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and this allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's plenty of assistance systems on board, including the front assist and side assist. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors available with audible warnings. And you've also got multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. Moving a little bit further down the cabin, there's jaws and climate control on offer. You've also got heated front seats with a little bit of storage below with a couple of USB-C ports and also wireless phone charging. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.